Hiccup. 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 Who's got the hiccups? Who's that? Is that Mama?
Yeah.
Mama looks horrible. Who's that?
Mama.
No, who's that?
Meow.
Yeah, do you have the hiccups?
Yeah.
Does Brielle have hiccups? Are you going hiccup? Hiccup. 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 Hiccup, hiccup. You love yourself, don't you? See, I love Brielle.
Hi.
Hi. Can you give Brielle kisses? Mwah. That's a good kiss. Miss Pizza Face.
Hi.
What's that?
And I thought you came out and gave it your all, which is fantastic. It had speed, it had energy, there was elements of rock
Say
and
hi,
roll,
baby.
jive, Lindy, all
Hi,
in
baby
there.
Brielle.
Safe on occasion, but for
Hi,
me,
gorgeous.
what's done so far?
Hi, gorgeous, gorgeous girl. Mommy and Brielle. Mommy looks horrible. I know, you agree, huh? That's not very nice. Do you still have the hiccups? No, Mommy looks worse. Do you still have the hiccups?
Thanks, Tom. Nice praise from the judges. You seemed frustrated this week in rehearsals because you said you weren't picking up the steps as fast as usual. Why was
Say
this
hi,
so
Brielle.
I've never done Lindy Hop or anything like that, so this
Hi,
is
Brielle.
to learn it, but I had a blast.
Can you say hi, Brielle?
You've been at the bottom of the judges'
Did you say
leaderboard
hi,
for the
me?
last 2 weeks, but you keep pulling through. What do you think it's going to take to keep
What are you doing? Are you pushing backwards?
Just improvement. That's all I'm focused on right now.
Well done. Let's see what the judges
Hiccup.
say. Here you go.
Hiccup.
Will the judges please reveal their scores? Carrie-Ann Inaba.
Hiccup. Okay, say bye-bye, Brielle.
Mama. Meow.
Hiccup.
Bruno Tonio.